Have you ever wondered why almost every culture in the world, past and present, has some form of religion? Is it coincidence, or is there something hardwired in our brains that makes us prone to religious belief? Today we dive deep into the origins of religion, not from a theological or spiritual point of view, but through the lens of brain biology, neuropsychology, and human evolution. Let's rewind the clock, tens of thousands of years. Early humans lived in a dangerous world, wild animals, diseases, unpredictable weather, and the ever-present threat of death. To survive, the brain had to evolve mechanisms to anticipate danger, find patterns, and stay connected with others. And that's where it all begins. Our brains are pattern-seeking machines. Imagine you're an early human walking through a forest. You hear a rustling in the bushes. Your brain quickly asks, is it the wind or a predator? Even if it's just the wind 99 times, the one time it's a lion, those who assumed a threat and ran survived. This survival advantage gave birth to what scientists call hyperactive agency detection. In other words, our brains evolved to assume there's an agent behind random events, like a spirit in the wind or a god in the storm. This tendency to see intention or design in randomness is the root of animism, the belief that trees, rivers, and animals have spirits. Later, these ideas matured into more organized religious beliefs, where gods weren't just in nature, but above nature, watching, judging, rewarding, and punishing. Our ancestors didn't just believe in gods because they had extra time around the campfire. They believed because their brains evolved to connect dots, even when no real dots existed. But religion wasn't just about fear or pattern recognition. It also served another crucial function: group survival. When people shared a belief in a higher power, they behaved more cooperatively. Why? Because if you think a divine being is always watching, you're more likely to behave, even when no one else is around. Religious rituals, shared myths, and sacred taboos helped bind tribes together. They promoted trust, loyalty, and a sense of us versus them. In this way, belief systems acted like the social glue of early human communities. Neuroscience has started to uncover the brain regions involved in religious and spiritual experiences. The temporal lobe processes symbolic and emotional experiences, often activated during meditation or prayer. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for decision-making and morality, is involved when people reflect on divine judgment or ethical behavior. And then there's the default mode network, a set of brain regions active during rest and self-reflection. This network helps us form narratives about ourselves and others, including religious stories. So in a way, religion emerges from how the brain is built to think, not necessarily from any external truth. Think of religion as a kind of software running on the hardware of the human brain. Every culture has its own version: Christianity, Islam, Hinduism, Buddhism, and countless tribal faiths. But the operating system underneath, the biological brain, is the same. Just like different apps can run on the same phone, different religions emerge depending on environment, culture, and historical context. So is religion true? From a scientific standpoint, religion is not a truth but a belief system, a byproduct of how our brains evolved to survive, socialize, and make sense of the unknown. It's not about proving or disproving the supernatural. It's about understanding why we're drawn to those ideas in the first place. In our next video, we'll explore why the human brain continues to hold on to religious beliefs, even in the age of science and AI. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious.